Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Mame Emulator and set up it. First, download on Play Store Mame4droid. Install. Click play. Then click new way if your Android is Android 10 and above. Click old way if Android 10 below. Since my Android is Android 11, I will click new way recommended. Okay. Here you can see no games found. So hanap muna. I will search Street Fighter 3 Third Strike Mame Room. Here on WoW Rooms, click download room. Wait to download. Okay, finish download. Open ES File Explorer. Internal storage, download. Here. Move to Android data. Search com/Sileco Mame4droid. com.sileco.mame4droid. Click Files, Rooms. Click OK. Then go back to Mame Emulator. Reload. Here you can see Street Fighter 3 Third Strike Fight for the Future. Then play. Click B. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.